Why are we saying this? Because I did a lot of motivational speaking, spiritual speaking, so that's why I had an audience. Some people will have seen me in some other ways in different communities across my country. Small country, but a lot of population, very much unlike Canada, of course. So to answer that question, we had to sell saying that you will go away with at least one hack that will change your life. For example, in the last show, we would actually come up with 1 minute. Out of 60 minutes, at least I would have said something clever in 1 minute. Or some guests would have said something very good. So that part we would showcase from each show. That was at the beginning. Yeah, please, Alex.
I'll jump into that one. I don't think you need a website at all because you're in the entertainment industry and no one is going to go to a specific website to listen. You need to go where people are listening or watching. So you're going to be looking at podcast channels, you're going to be looking at YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and that's where you want to be posting the content, and then people will follow you there. So I wouldn't waste a single penny. For those that don't know what pennies are, penny on a website. I'd focus and you can do this. It doesn't cost any money. I would just focus on all those other different channels. I would not do a website.
Those who are know about that. So I had to program in Flash. We started doing our websites in Photoshop. Then we transported to Dreamweaver. Dreamweaver is not even. You remember? Coding was a thing. Yeah, and having this like flashy animations, in Flash in your website.